Hello my students, how are you? Grade 8. Today we'll solve from Mu'asir book worksheets cognitive assessment test number 10 to lesson 5 unit 2. Question number 1, choose the correct answer from those given. Number 1 we have 7x subtract by 28 plus EX subtract by 4A. We have 4 terms. Then we can divide it 2 terms together and also 2 terms together using commutative properties and associative. Okay, we can write here 7 height-come factor between 2 terms, 7x divided by x equals 7 and 28 divided by 7 equals 4. And then we can write here a height-come factor between 2 terms. Okay, and then we have x minus 4, it's repeating, then we can write outside x minus 4. Then this term divided by x minus 4, it will be 7, and this term also divided by x minus 4, it will be a, and the result will be x minus 4 times x7 plus a, or a plus 7. Choose letter B. Okay, next question, number 2. We have a plus b equal 2 and c plus d equal 8. Then EC plus ED plus BC plus BD. We can write a height-come factor between 2 terms here and 2 terms. EC plus AB divided by A equals C, and CAB divided by E equal B. BC and BD, we can write B also height-come factor between 2 terms. Then write C the remainder, and BD divided B equal D. And then we can write C plus, we have P, and here write E, write C plus P. Okay, he give us this information, A plus P and C plus D. Okay, he give us the example here, C plus D equal 8 and A plus B. In this example again, we have A plus C and A times D. This was D. Okay, and then you can write height-come factor between 2 terms, C plus D, height-come factor. Then the remainder here A, and the remainder from this P. Then we can write product between the value of the first and the second. A plus B equal 2 and C plus D equal 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. Then the answer here will be 16. Next question. Find the value of a that makes ax power 2 subtract by 30x plus 9 is a perfect square. Perfect square is meaning the first term, it will be equal the middle term power 2 negative 30x power 2 over 4 product by the third. 4 product by the third term was 9. Then 30x power or power 2 will be 900x power 2. 4 times 9. 900 divided by 9, 100 divided by 4 equal 25. Then we have 25x power 2 equal ax power 2. Then a here equal 25. Next question. When completing the square of the expression, we add what? We add positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first, product by square root of the third. Right, positive or negative 2 product by square root of x power 2 equal x, square root of 49, 7. Then the result will be positive or negative 14x. We must choose letter C. If x power 3 plus a equal x plus 5 product by x power 2 minus 5x plus b, we want to find the value of b. We have cubic root of a plus x power 3. We can write this expression, we have 5 times 5 times 5 equal 125. Okay, then x power 3 plus 5 times 5 times 5 125 equal x plus 5 product by x power 2 minus 5x plus 5 power 2, it will be 25. He won't find the value a plus b. Look at here, a equal 125 and b equal 25. Then the sum of them, it will be 150. Okay, choose letter E. Next question, number 6. X power 2 minus y power 2 equal 28. And he gives the information x plus y equals 7. Then he won't find x minus y. We can factorize this expression. X times x power 2 and y times y power 2, write negative and positive. The product between them equal 28. X plus y 7. 7 product by what equal 28? 7 times 4. Then x minus y equal 4. Question number 2. Factorize each of the following completely. Number 1. 3x power 3 plus 2x power 2 minus 3x minus 2. We have 4 terms. We can write between two numbers here x power 2 at cofactor between two terms. 3x power 3 divided x power 2, it will be 3x. 2x power 2 divided by x power 2, it will be 2. And here write negative had cofactor negative 1. Then divided by negative here, it will be 3x plus 2. And we have 3x plus 2 in the brackets. It's repeating. This term divided by 3x plus 2, it will be x power 2, and this expression divides itself, it will be 1. And then you can complete here 3x plus 2 product by x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay. Next question number 2. We have 4x power 4 plus 81. To solve this example, we must add and subtract. Add and subtract. Positive or negative, 2 product by square root of the first, square root of the third. Then we can add 2 product by square root of 4x power 2, 4 will be 2x power 2, and square root of 81 will be 9. Will be positive or negative, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 9, 36, x power 2. Okay, then we must add positive or negative this number. Okay, then we can write 4 x power 4 and here 81. Right between them, here negative and here positive. 36 x power 2 and here 36 x power 2. This expression perfect square. We can write the square root with the first, it will be 2x power 2, and square root of the third, it will be 9, and write the sign here positive between them, all power 2. Subtract by this term, square root of it will be 6x all power 2. Okay, and then you can factorize the expression. 2x power 2 plus 9, and here 2x power 2 plus 9. Subtract by 6x and plus 6x. Okay, it's simplest form of this expression. You must convert from this expression 8 between two perfect to the difference between two perfect square, to convert to perfect square and then factorize them also. Okay, the difference between two terms, we can factorize square root of the first, repeating, and square root of the second, and write negative and positive. Next question, find solution set of solutions this in real numbers. We have x power 2 plus 8x plus 3 equals 0. We can't find two numbers, product of them equal 3 and the sum of them equal 8. We can't find this, so we can write 8x here like about, we write a and c, a equal 1 and b equal 8 and c equal 3. Okay, we have a and b and c. We want two numbers. Here we can write 8 equal 3 plus 5, or you can write 3 here equal 2 plus 1. We want factorize the expression by right hand cofactor between them. We can factorize the expression, so we must put 3 to left hand side, write x power 2 plus 8x equal negative 3. We must convert this term and this term to 3 terms by add and subtract the third term. Do you remember the third term? Okay, listen to me. We must add positive or negative the middle here, 8x power 2 over 4 product by x power 2. Okay, we must add the third here from left hand side, right hand side. We must add this term, the middle, we must add 8x power 2 over 4 product by first. 8 from left hand side and right hand side in this expression. Okay, left hand side about this expression, this equation. So we must move 3 here to left hand side first. And also 8 power 2 equals 64 would act by x power 2 over 4 x power 2. You can simplest this expression. 64 divided by 4 equals 16. X power 2 divided x power 2 equal 1. Then in this expression we must write x power 2 plus 8x, put here 16 and negative 3 8 to 16. So we must add here 16 and here 16. In this expression we can write the perfect square, square root of the first, square root of the third, and raise the sign here positive all power 2, and negative 3 plus 16 equal 13. Okay, understood? And then we can complete this expression by factorizing. Look at the steps with me here. Can you see the answer? Okay, we have here 13. We can write positive or negative and factorize answer. Okay, positive or negative. Okay, write x plus 4 or power 2 equals 13. Complete with me. X plus 4 or power 2 equal 13. Then we can write x plus 4 equal positive or negative square root of 13. We have x equal negative 4, move 4 here from left hand side, right hand side, positive or negative square root of 13. Then we have two solutions. The first, x will be equal negative 4 plus with 13, and x equal negative 4 minus square root of 13. They are boiling to real numbers. In solution set will be equal negative 4 plus square root of 13 and negative 4 minus square root of 13. Okay, next question. Number 2, we have 9x power 2 subtract by 12x plus 4 equals 0. This expression we can find square root of the first and third. 3 times 2, 6 times 2, 12. This expression we called it perfect square. Square root of first and the third, and raise the sign here, all power equals 0. We can write square root of left hand side and right hand side, then 3x minus 2 equals 0, then 3x equal 2. And 3x equal 2, so x equal 2 over 3. Splitting to real number, solution set will be over 2 over 3. Pulling the two real numbers. Okay.